From the Functions menu, choose Visits, View Visits and View Visits again. Then in the filter selections, choose the date range you wish to allocate and click Get Visits. You then need to choose the round you wish to allocate by selecting the round name from the drop-down filter and click Get Visits. Select day or days at a time by placing a tick in the box and then using the Allocate Staff button that appears. Click Go and any available staff who can complete all the visits you selected will appear. Click the staff member's name and they will be allocated to the visits. To show any gaps from the All Staff drop down, choose All Unallocated, then click Get Visits. You can then use the magnifying glass on each line to see which staff are available, and information such as recent visits and distance from the client. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all of our social media platforms.